My lab is called the Risk Reduction Research Lab, and the reason for that is because although I study different topics, they're all focused on risk reduction for people who have emotional and behavioral problems. Oftentimes, these people have major mental illness, dramatic and erratic personality characteristics, and substance abuse, and they are at risk for violence and self-harm and involvement in the criminal justice system. So my research is really focused on identifying who is at risk. If we look at a population of people with mental illness, for example, how do we know which small subset of them might be at risk for self-harm or violence? It also addresses what the problem is. That is, what is it exactly that is leading to their self-harm or their violence or their criminal justice involvement? And given an understanding of what the problem is, how do we fix it? So one of the most exciting things about research is that you often find that assumptions about what the problem is usually wrong, or oftentimes wrong. So when you figure out what the problem really is, then you can really inform policy about how to better fix the problem. What sort of interventions or policies are really going to make a difference. The thing that really inspired me to pursue this topic is a long-standing interest in people who have serious mental health problems, and a realization that these individuals are very disproportionately represented in juvenile justice and criminal justice settings. And I actually shifted from what I thought would be a career focused on clinical psychology, where I would work with people on a one-on-one basis on forensic units, which would be terrific, to falling in love with research and the notion that I could do work that would really inform larger scale solutions to the problem, that would fundamentally alter the kinds of treatments or interventions that people would get on a larger scale. So realizing that there was this high-risk, high-need population in the juvenile criminal justice system, and that we didn't know that much about what the root of the problem was inspiring, because if you understand the cause of a problem, you're a lot better positioned to fix it.